And what would you tell retailers that didn't attend the workshop?
Oh, you missed out. Sorry. You've got to come next year.
Leave everything at home, come, enjoy, have fun, and learn.
Oh, you missed out. Like, figure it out. Figure out how to come up with the money, because I'm telling you,
It's worth it.
if you miss it, you're missing out on lots of opportunities.
You missed out.
That they need to save their pennies and come next year. The knowledge that you learn from here is just something that it's incredible.
But it's worth it.
Once you walk in the door, you are not by yourself anymore, so don't be intimidated or afraid. Get down here. I know it's expensive, but you're going to get so much out of it, and that's why I'm back for a second year.
You have to come next year. That's what everybody said last year when I was a new retailer, and I thought, yeah, sure, I've been to some of these before for other things, but you have to come next year.
Shame on you. You have to come. It's the best time ever.
You really missed a good thing. You need to get here next year. Don't miss out.
I saw it advertised this year and I thought, I don't know if I can afford to come. But now that I've been here, you can't afford not to come. I mean, you really need to come, and I am so looking forward to next year.